Do you want to find posts or reels that you had liked recently, or content that you had liked a long time ago? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. I will show you how you can find posts and reels that you liked today, a week ago, or even years ago. Just make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version, and when you do that, open your Instagram application, and you want to make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. While scrolling, I'll like a couple of posts and a couple of reels in my timeline, but let's say I want to find them. I'll go over to my Instagram profile, and once I'm here, I can tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of my screen. I'll click on the Your Activity button, and that's going to get me to the page where I can see all of the different activity that I have with this account. At the top of our screen is the Interaction section, and since we want to find the liked posts and reels, we will tap on the Likes option. This will open another page in the app where it will show us all the posts and reels that we had liked, and it is sorted from the newest to the oldest by default. We can see the posts that I had liked at the beginning of this video, and they are at the very top. If you have to find a specific post or reel, you can use the filters at the top, or we can select a specific date. We can sort the posts from the oldest to the newest like, and that way you can see the first post or video that you had liked on Instagram from this specific account and many more things. That's essentially how we can find the content we had liked on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.